Hey guys, HobbyBox604, doing hockey group break number 26, a box of 08-09 ice, sealed as you see. I went to my card shop, he had a few boxes of these, apparently left from the distributor's warehouse, and he grabbed it. So let's all hope we get Stamkos or something good in here. Thanks everybody for filling this up. As always, appreciated. And let's see what we got. There's going to be a lot of base packs in this product, as you probably all know. But we'll give it a try. Let's see. Okay, good luck everybody. Pack 1. Base, base, base. We start with an all base pack. Pack 2. Base, base. Oh, stuck together. All base. Pack 3. Base, base. Base again. Okay. So there's supposed to be hits in this product. Base, 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 and base. Okay. Base, base, base. Very good. Okay, that's our first hit. Yeah, it looks like our first hit. Base, and we have a dual jersey of, patch and jersey of Vesa Tuscola. Ooh, I don't know what happened with the light. Vesa Tuscola, 11 out of 25 for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Okay, first hit, not a bad hit, but I wish it was from somebody that's still playing. We have our first ice of Jonas Frogen, 202 of 999 for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Decoy and base, base. Base, 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 decoy, and 2 base. Okay. Base, base. Our second hit is a Fresh Threads, John Filewich, Pittsburgh Penguins. Halfway done. Another Toronto, Nikolai Kulemin, Toronto Maple Leafs Ice Premiers out of 499. Decoy and 2 base. Base, base, base. Decoy and base. Still waiting to hit our auto. Come on, Stamkos, where are you? Stamkos, where are you? More base. More base. More base. We have our autograph of Joe Thornton. Glacier Graphs. Joe Thornton for the San Jose Sharks. Come on, Stamkos. It's not Stamkos, it's a Mark Fistrick out of 1999 for the Dallas Stars. 2 more packs left. I think that would be it. last rookie is Dwight Helminen for the Carolina Hurricanes. Decoy and 2 base. So that was it. Thanks guys for joining, and see you guys next time.